एक तो पहले से I was underconfident because एक दिन पहले breakup हुआ. Like we were selected in everything and then we started again. Yeah. How important for you or in general female friendships are? एक इंसान का खराब होना will not justify the rest of the friendship. Yes. Because I want less drama in my life. What's happening in Bollywood overshadows what the bad experiences that I've had in life. आदमी दुश्मन नहीं होते हैं आदमियों के मतलब कि they'll not give you their emotional वो they'll never understand the comfort that two female friends share because please check my pad have I leaked? Oh my god. We cannot do that with that. Like you are a different person for guys and for girls. Like you said once in your captions, never rude to my girls. Entire debate that I had with my friend once that enviousness and insecurity are not similar. So I want to ask you your view. Do you think being insecure from your friend and being envious of your friend, so do you think so that both of them are different? No, I don't think so. I think it's the same thing. Being you insecure and being envious comes in the same category. Same category. Okay. So I believe so here's the answer. Envious, being envious is considered to be on a little positive end, and being insecure is sheer negativity. So if let's say you bought a bag, okay, and I'm like, okay, इसने बैग खरीद लिया, उस पर अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है, मेरे पास होता तो कितना अच्छा लगता. This is insecurity. Okay. But if you bought a bag, I was like, wow, इसने बैग लिया यार, काश मुझे मेरे भी पास लेना है यार. I also want to buy. This is enviousness. So enviousness comes from a feeling that I'm not thinking anything bad about you, or I don't have a problem that I also have it. That maybe I can work better, I move around things and get the same thing for myself. That is enviousness, that you take inspiration and you want to do it. Insecurity is sheer के Absolutely. मतलब मुझे पता है मेरे में खोट है but लेकिन मेरे को तेरे पे दिखाना है because I don't have it. Basically, you हाँ. just project your insecurities on your friends. So now one thing that I've made you learn. And I've learned it. Yes. Yeah, thank lovely. You. So I'd like to ask you a question. Have you ever outgrown a female friendship? Yes, I have. I believe I can outgrow any friendship because I believe you are not the same person that you were when you probably first met. You outgrow, you develop a new personality. You outgrow yourself. Yeah, exactly. So I am not the same person that probably I was. Hashtag 2016, 2026 throwback. I'm not the same person I was back then when I was in school and everything. So I outgrew two of my very important friendships that I consider it to be. So first I had this school friend. हम bench partners थे for good 3-4 years. दिन भर एक साथ chit chat करना and everything. So I outgrew that friendship when I obviously completed my 10th. And then मेरी एक बिल्डिंग में फ्रेंड थी. We were best friends since childhood. हम 9-10 साल के थे, हम तब से अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. But then again, like I said कि मेरा एक फेज आया, 10th खत्म हुआ and I outgrew all the friendships obviously because बहुत misunderstandings हो गई थी and everything, and I was a big time people pleaser when I was young because anyway मैं कुछ नहीं करती थी फिर भी मेरे पे इल्जाम लगते थे कि इसने ये किया, इसने ये किया, और because that fear of me, of them not liking me took a toll on me, and I used to be super nice with them. But then I thought कि यार, if I cannot be honest with my own emotions and thoughts, I don't think so I can be honest with this friendship. People, absolutely. But लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't I'm not in touch with them. I'm obviously in touch with them, but लेकिन it was not how it used to be. And I guess it's fine, it's natural. आप जैसे अच्छे दोस्त बनते हो उसी naturally आप मतलब उतने naturally आप उस friendship से बाहर जाते हो, कुछ गिले शिकवे नहीं, and it's simple and sorted. That's the best way to outgrow people. Because for me it has been a bit toxic. Yeah. So for me, when I outgrew a female friend, we've been friends since 5 years. बहुत और हमारे बीच में 5 साल का भी गैप था. She was older than me and I was younger. So I was also looking up to her. She was amazing, very beautiful, very pretty, very talented and intelligent. So I liked her so much. I wanted to be friends with her. But जैसे ही हमारा friendship आगे बढ़ने लगा, I felt like there's a burden that I've been put on. I don't know if she was the one putting it on me or I was the one. Obviously she was. Okay, I take that. So it was too much for me, और हमारा बीच में बहुत cut off, इधर उधर बहुत चीजें हो रही थी while I was in a phase of my life which was the worst phase I consider for me. And that was the time she was putting more pressure that you're not talking to me, you're not replying to me, this and that. And I was like, this is not what friendship is. She's basically expecting
Relationship,
kind of
yeah,
efforts,
which I
boyfriend
couldn't,
duties
yeah,
from your end.
exactly. So that I couldn't do. I might not be a good friend for her. And I also thought ki she needed somebody else, I needed somebody else. We're different people altogether. So we
I
just,
believe if be it a guy or a girl, if they're narcissist, be it friendship, be it
yeah,
relationships,
it
it
won't work
cannot be
out.
sustained
Yeah,
because they think that they are very great, they don't look down on themselves, they उनको लगता है कि सामने वाले
दूसरे
की
में
गलती
गलती,
है. So I believe, be it female friendships
yeah,
or guy friendships, if
yeah.
the other person on the receiving end
They're not
is,
comprehending anything, not understanding the other person.
yeah,
The
it's not gonna
relationship is
work.
going to, yeah.
So we're gonna play a very quick and a very fun game because obviously हम हमारे viewers और खुद भी bored नहीं होना चाहते हैं because we are too much invested in our scrolling and social media. So we've come up with this game. I say the first letter of the whatever imaginary word that we're gonna say. You say the last letter और जो भी हम word बोलेंगे उसका first and last letter वो match होना चाहिए जो हमने बोला.
All right, perfect.
It can be anything. It can be name, place, animal, and thing.
Okay.
ठीक है? No short verbs,
Yes.
sus, yup,
Yes.
nothing like that.
We'll
Okay?
take care. Yes.
So at the same time, we have to say, okay?
Okay.
So let's begin. 1, 2, 3.
Three.
S. Soap.
One,
One
one.
each. अपन ने same time पे बोला. Oh my god, it's a telepathy challenge or what? One
Okay.
all. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
R. Rack.
Rack. But I was like a tiny second.
But
late.
I won. But लेकिन my
Yeah,
god,
it was
same
like,
बोल
yeah,
रहे
yeah,
अपन.
yeah.
So चल ठीक है. It's
Two,
two
two.
all.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. N.
T. What did you say?
N.
Net.
Net. Okay. Yeah.
3.
3, 2. 1, 2, 3. A.
Nothing.
Auto. A. Oh.
Perfect.
Auto.
3, 2.
3 all यार.
3, 2, 1.
S.
M.
MMS.
Okay.
Mars. Mars
Okay.
Cosmetics.
Okay. 4, 3.
Mars chocolate.
Yes.
4, 3.
1. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1.
R.
W.
War. I guess ये गेम का हमें चेंज कर देना चाहिए. It's telepathy round
Yeah.
between two female friends.
Makes sense.
It's what I'm 4 and you're 3.
I am 4, you're 5. You won.
Thank you for all the viewers and thank you.
I'm very happy for you.
लेकिन I
Take
believe
the
both of us have won because हमारे answers literally same थे. So yeah, it was really fun. Thank you, Meghna, for being here,
It was
taking
my
out the
pleasure.
time. And yeah, so that's all we had for Galentine's over Valentine's podcast. I hope that you enjoyed this podcast. Send this podcast to your female friends. Watch it together so that we are also going to watch the podcast together on Valentine's Day. So yeah, any last words that you
Thank
want
you
to
for
sprinkle?
having me here. It was amazing talking to it. It was like just us talking.
So yeah, that's about it for this podcast. Again, wish you a very happy Valentine's. If you have a Valentine, if you don't have a Valentine, we can be your Valentines. So like, share, and subscribe, and comment on how you liked our friendship and or whatever chit chat that we did. And yeah, share this as much as you can. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.